Mobile users are 5 times more likely to leave a site immediately if it's not mobile friendly. To ensure you don't turn any potential customers away, create a responsive location page that allows users and search engines to easily find you online. Location pages are built for optimal crawling and indexing and use schema.org markup to help Google's algorithms extract relevant information. In simple terms, location pages make it a lot easier for Google to find you. A link can be found at the end of this training video for more detailed information about why Google wants a location page from you. Before getting started on your location page, go to your business profile to ensure your company information is accurate and fill in missing information as needed. It's highly recommended that you enter business hours for your location page. Search engines will find your location page, extract the information, and then display it in local searches. Next, add the URLs for each of your social networks you are on. These social sites will display as social media icons on your business's location page to make it easier for users to discover your business on social media. The business profile details and hours of operation will be displayed on the location page. You can now begin choosing defaults for your location page. Select the Theme tab and choose the layout you would like to use for this site. You'll notice the default is set to the location page theme. This is the recommended layout, which has responsive design and is more user-friendly, but you may choose a more basic responsive or mobile layout. Next, select the Branding tab to set up the overall appearance of your location page. Start by uploading your company's logo to be displayed on the location page. You can also upload a favicon or a mobile shortcut icon. The favicon will be seen in a user's browser tab here. Ensure that you're uploading a favicon that fits the required specifications. Favicons can be created in Adobe Photoshop, or if you don't have Photoshop, you can find free resources online. Just search favicon generator. The mobile shortcut icon appears if someone bookmarks your location page on a smartphone device. Under Business Information, you can choose the details you'd like to display on the location page. You can upload a background image here. I suggest you use a larger image to avoid tiling with a small resolution so that the page doesn't load slowly. The image would replace the map image on this theme. The mobile background image will only be seen if you're using a mobile theme, so it isn't necessary to upload here. Now, customize your primary color to add a finishing touch. This color will display in the navigation bar for this theme. Enter a tagline for your slogan to be displayed below the logo. Next, head to the Domains tab. Here you can customize the end of your URL to improve the likelihood of being found by search engines and subsequently potential customers. Just enter the words you'd like to see in the URL, such as your business and location name, and then click Save. If you'd like the location page to appear on your own domain, such as www.patsys.com, please contact your salesperson and they can help you with this process. If you would like users to be forwarded to the location page when they try to access the site from a mobile device, a redirect script can be added to the source HTML file of a full website. If you do not have access to your source code, you will need to forward this code to your webmaster and have them add it for you. Once the script has been added to the source code, you can use this verify area to ensure the code was added properly. Just enter in your website address and click Verify. To add a link back to your full website, add the URL here. Now we can begin adding pages to our location page. Starting with the home page, you can click on the Edit button here, or if you prefer a home page with images, you can create one of those by clicking on the Images button. I would like a simple custom page for my home page, so I'll just use this one. First, we will want to specify our tab position for this page. As this is our home page, I would like this listed first, so I will leave this as is. Next, enter in the heading for this tab. The heading text will appear at the top of this page when this tab is selected. In this case, I want Patsy's Italian Restaurant to appear at the top. The tab name I will leave as Home, so people know how to navigate back to this page. Meta keywords were previously used by search engines to rank websites. This isn't a common practice anymore, so it's not necessary to fill this in. When you do a Google search, look at the 2-line description below the link to the website. That's the meta description. This is important text as everyone reads this prior to deciding if this is the link they actually want to click on. Try and limit your meta description to 155 characters. If you're over that character amount, a series of dots will appear, cutting off the rest of your description. Ensure your meta description is a detailed, keyword-rich summary of that page. Each page of your website should have a unique meta description, as individual pages can be indexed separately. For the body of each page, you have 2 content boxes. There is a simple editor here that will allow you to stylize your text. You can also copy and paste content from an existing website to copy the same formatting as seen there. For advanced users, there is also an area to enter HTML. Once you've finished entering in the content, click Save. To see how this looks on your location page, click here to see it live. Now you can begin creating additional pages to build up your location page. Images will help make your location page more engaging and give your users nice visuals of your products employees are building. But don't just add images for the sake of adding them. Ensure that your photos always add value. Now let's add an images page to showcase some of our restaurant's photos. For tab position, I'll number it number 2 as I would like this page to appear below the home page. The heading will be Patsy's Menu and the tab name just Menu. To add text above your images, enter it in the top content area. You can also add text below your images by adding content here. Before uploading images, we will first take a look at how to resize them. Large resolution images look great when printed out, but on the web, they cause slower loading times. The best image resolution for the web is 72 dpi, which is dots per inch. You can compress images in most photo editing programs. There are even some free compressors available online. It's also important to note the width and height of the photo. There is no need for your images to have a width of 8,000 pixels, as users viewing your location page will likely be accessing it from smaller devices, such as a smartphone or tablet. I would recommend using a width of 1,000 pixels, which accommodates most screens. You can now begin adding images by clicking Add Images. Select the images you previously resized and click Upload. You can add as many images as you would like to this page. They will be displayed in a gallery format, which allows your users to scroll through them. Once you've finished uploading your images, click Save. Again, we can go back to our location page, refresh it, and see the changes we have made. Now let's add a contact page. Enter in the basic information at the top. If you have a different phone number customers can call to make reservations, or an after-hours service number you want to include, add it here. You can also easily add a contact form to this page. Just enter the email address you want to receive form responses at. Once you have finished editing this page, click Save. Coupons are used to drive traffic and sales. Your business could benefit from offering a simple coupon on your location page that you can share on social media and review sites. They can be used to create new opportunities and encourage repeat business. You can create as many coupons as you would like. To begin, fill in the top few fields. If you would like, you can add content before or after your coupons by entering the content in the appropriate content areas. Once you are finished editing, click Save. If I would like to add a video page, click the Video Page option. The video that you add to the location page will need to be hosted on a video streaming website such as YouTube, Vimeo, or Wistia. YouTube is most commonly used and it's free. Here you'll want to enter in the desktop URL. You do not need to enter in the mobile or thumbnail URL. These will be auto-generated once you click Save. The title entered will display above the video. If you enter a caption, it will display below the title. The duration will auto-calculate once the page has been saved and will display below the video. If you do not want the duration to display, you can edit the page and remove it. From here, you can choose to add more pages, or maybe your site is finished. Take a look at your finished product to see if anything else needs to be refined. You can begin directing traffic to your location page by using the auto-generated QR code in your marketing material. When users scan this with their smartphones, they will be sent to the location page. Once your page has been up and running for a while and begins generating some traffic, take a look at your analytics. The analytics can show you how many visitors the site is receiving and how many of those visitors are returning. You will also be able to see what actions different users are taking on the site, such as viewing the map or calling the store. This will give you valuable insight into the areas of your location page that are successful, as well as those that need attention.